guys, welcome back. Today's designer series look is going to be Chanel. I just want to clarify, I don't use like Chanel brand only makeup. There could be a whole separate video I could do if you guys want me to buy a whole bunch of like Chanel or Gucci makeup and do like a first impressions. This is more looks inspired by the features and the designs, like the fashions, the vibe of the brand, if that makes sense. So it's more like creative looks. Anyways, I'm so happy you guys liked the first one and I'm very excited today to do Chanel. Chanel is probably my all-time favorite designer brand, and you're probably asking, well Sally, why don't you own more Chanel? That's because the price of a Chanel bag is like the price of a nice car. Like, I'm not even joking. It's like up there with Hermes, you know. It's not really like at the Louis Vuitton Gucci vibes level. It's like up there. Can't really justify buying myself Chanel, wow. But we can still do a Chanel look. I did apply my Drunk Elephant eye cream before, but just to make sure my lids are really nice and primed and hydrated, I'm going to put a tiny bit of the Hangover primer on them. I need to actually get into just using straight eye primers again. This is just the Bare Skin Concealer from BareMinerals. I know my nail polish is a bit chipped. Honestly, it would have been cute to do like Chanel nails for this look, but I did not have time. But I think I'm going to paint my nails tonight. It's Friday today here in New Zealand. Friday, as us basic bitches like to say. I've been just really enjoying painting my nails at home at the moment because I like having them really short to play the piano. Bounce that over and then I'll just set it with my Mecca powder. We'll just skip through this bit because it's boring, but I always use this to set my eye concealer. It's the Life Proof Invisible Setting Pressed Powder. It's really nice. I've actually hit pan. I just noticed then so many aspects of the Chanel brand, the cosmetics, the accessories, the clothing, also the shopping bags, because it's like really clean black and white lines, and I feel like it's very Chanel. And also I feel like the peak of Chanel was when it was extra classic and classy, and like that 60s mod kind of makeup look just makes me think of like Audrey Hepburn would wear Chanel, like the tweed and stuff. I don't know. I have so many ideas. Honestly, I just want to like keep redoing this series over and over so I can do a different look each time. I definitely know I want to do a white lower lash line. Oh, but maybe I shouldn't start with that because I haven't done my base yet. Okay, I'll do the top lid first. I'll zoom you guys a bit more. So I kind of want to cut out the crease, so I'm just going to do that with this black eyeliner. This is one of the gel liners from Marc Jacobs, although it kind of could use a sharpen, but I don't know how you sharpen these because they like twist up. Oh my gosh, this eyeliner is so blunt. That was like a terrible choice.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
Also, it's not very smooth. I thought these were like smoother for some reason. So I'm gonna have to clean that up now. For the other eye, I'm definitely going to use my Jouer one. I should have just done that to start with. I might actually do one eye at a time just when it comes to the black eyeliner. And I would recommend you do the same if you're recreating this, just because obviously if you're going to be smudging it and like blending it out, it's just gonna set and then it won't budge. I'm using the trusty Take Me Back to Brazil palette again because it's got a really classic matte white and matte black. It's kind of perfect. Honestly, I love BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes. They're always really pigmented. They're so affordable. This is another BH Cosmetics palette. I'm just going to do this first before I do the brown because I just realized there's no crease color down. So I'll just take Pancake, which is that one there, potentially Mousse as well, which is the one next to it. So I'm just roughly blending this over. It doesn't matter too much if you get a bit beneath that black line because we're going to be covering it up anyway. You guys are probably wondering why I've done it so high. Like, my natural crease is a little bit lower, but it's just like the mod look. Like, I want there to be more space, so then when you open your eye it gives the illusion of a larger eyelid. And now with the Back to Brazil palette, I'm just going to take the matte black and a flat shader brush, and as you're blending, try to steer clear of going below the line. It's fine if you blend upwards a wee bit, but we don't want to drag that faux crease down. I've just changed brushes to the inner corner. This is the vegan eyeliner brush from Exo Beauty because I don't want it to be too fat on the inner corner. Obviously a key point here is matching up both your eyes, so I'm just going to map out with dots before I do it, and that way it's kind of more foolproof. So just a little hint, I guess, if you guys are doing this look as well, because it can be very easy. Everyone has a slightly different eye shape, so in order to keep it as symmetrical as we can, it's kind of good to like map it out a little bit. Now that I've set that down, I'm just going to put some white on the eyelid. I think using a pencil eyeliner will probably be best, or else I have this Kajal liner. You could use any sort of paint pot or anything for this. I'm going to use the white eyeliner from ZOEVA. It's the shade Blanc. if that's how you pronounce it, I don't know. I'm just gonna colour in my whole eyelid with that. I'll bring it right into the inner corner as well, just to brighten. This isn't turning out as crisp as I wanted, so I'm going to use my NYX white eyeliner just to trace out that line and make it very crisp and fresh. Oh my gosh, that's so much better. I'm going to take a liquid eyeliner for this next bit because it's just a lot easier, let's face it. I'm just going to do a small, I was going to say a wing. What's the word when it's like not a wing? Just eyeliner, I guess. That sounded so stupid. But anyway, I'm going to do the same sort of shape, so more raised and domed in the middle of the eye. And I'll also start right in the inner corner as well. With that same Jouer eyeliner, I'm just going to tightline my eye. I hope this doesn't like rub off onto the white that I'm going to do underneath though, but I feel like it kind of needs it because the lash line's so dark. You know? You feel me? For mascara, I'm just going to use my trusty Rollerlash. I love this mascara so much. I need to like branch out and use some other mascaras, but it's just so good. It gives such good curl. I am going to obviously put on lashes too, but this one helps my lashes like stick up a bit more because they are quite long. And they sort of just stick out straight. I wonder if I should go on top too, because sometimes the roots of my lashes are quite blonde. No, they're like actually straight. I almost drank this because my water's like right here and these just look so similar. My illusion lashes from Exo Beauty is still on my desk from the other day, so I'm just going to use these I think, but I want ones that taper out on the edges and I feel like these will be quite good, or maybe I should use the feline. I think I'll just use these ones. They're a nice dramatic length but you can still see the look, you know what I mean? So I'm going to put some glue on these and then while that's drying I'm going to do my eyebrows. Got Ariana Grande on in the background. I love her new album. Oh, it's so good. I'm just a huge fan of hers. I'm just putting on HURRAW lip balm, by the way. If you're ordering off like iHerb or something, definitely get one. I actually have an iHerb voucher that I'll link down below. It's like, I don't know, $5 off or something. These are so good. Oh my goodness. The unscented one is way smoother than the rest and I don't know why, but anyways. The inner corner of this one is not drying, so I'm just going to do my brows whilst it's drying. Just using the same Jouer eyeliner that I used in my last video. Yes, eyeliner for my eyebrows, I know. Should be cray. Ready set brow as always. When I was in Palmy with Sham, we did some Twitch streaming together. And I really want to get into streaming on Twitch now. Like just cute videos of games on my Switch and also like IRL content and stuff, just like way more chill videos and obviously on YouTube. But I just really don't know how to set it all up, so I've been watching heaps of YouTube videos and everything. Just gonna put that primer all over my skin now and do my base. I'm obsessed with this foundation that I tried in my last video, the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. It's so nice, like it looks so luminous but it sort of dries like semi-matte. I don't know how it does it, and then the color's also really nice. And I think I did hear a lot of good things about it, but I just thought, oh, it won't look good on my skin because back then my skin was quite a bit worse, and unless something was like really full coverage, you know, I couldn't really give it much of a go. I'm going to mix a little bit of my Missha BB cream with that foundation just because my fake tan has faded quite a bit. It's like a week old and I think this will be too dark alone. Like mix them on my hand. You guys should let me know below what your favorite song is off the new Ariana Grande album Sweetener. I think mine's Good Night and Go, but I'm not sure. I like quite a few off there. Obviously God is a Woman is amazing. I would totally go and see her. For under my eyes, I'm just going to use my Born This Way concealer. This is the shade Very Fair. I'm just going to use a tiny bit like right there. I've never been a big fan, like I obviously tried to get into it, but of the whole big triangle, like it just probably depends on your face shape, I guess. I'm going to try the L'Oreal Paris Kajal eyeliner because I feel like this looks like really pale blue. Yeah, that's better. This one's actually white. Probably Probably should have just used this on my whole eyelid. What's done is done. Run that under as well. I'm just wondering if I have any false lower lashes because that would look really cute. Otherwise my natural bottom lashes are quite long, but they won't be like sitting on the right level to create the illusion of a bigger eye. Does that make any sense? I don't even know. I think I'm just going to put bottom mascara on because I don't want it to look like I'm trying to do like doll makeup. Do you know what I mean? I feel like it's already quite intense. So we're just gonna put on some lower lashes. And by that I just mean mascara. But you could always stick on lower lashes if you don't have very long lower lashes. Mine are actually pretty beefy, so I'm just gonna coat those with some mascara and call it a day. Bob's your uncle. Do people say that overseas, or is that just like a Kiwi Australia thing? Bob's your uncle. It just means like there you go, you know? I don't know, is that normal? There we go. Now I don't look like an alien. Now it looks normal. Alright, so that's how it's looking so far with the eyes. I don't know what else I want to do. I think I want to do quilted lips. What should I do for cheeks though? I kind of did want to do a Chanel logo, like how my earrings have it, but I don't know. I don't want to do a logo for every single look. Do you know what I mean? Because I did a Gucci logo on the last one. I might do Chanel logo like on the lips. Because I did quilting last time on my like Insta looks. Got my black and white liquid lipstick here. So I just did the rough outline with this, and then I'm going to tidy it up with, oh my gosh, I nearly just knocked something over. I'm going to tidy it up with the black eyeliner. I'm just using this eyeliner to lip line my lips because it's so nice and sharp, but I'm going to fill it in with a black liquid lipstick. I actually feel like it looks kind of cool with the top lip just like this, but filled in like with the stencil, because again it reminds me of their shopping bags with the outline. Oh my gosh, I keep knocking everything off my table. So I might just see what it looks like. I'm going to try filling this in with white on the top, and like if I hate it we can just change it, but I feel like it might actually look cool. We've hit a row bump. I like how it looks, but it is transferring onto my bottom lip. Also, I don't know if it looks like a moustache, but I feel like it will look cool in a photo. I might try Drug Lord by Jeffree Star and see if that works better. Yeah, that's definitely a lot creamier. I can't talk properly again because I want it to dry. But I just want to let you know I'm going to try quilting on the top lip. Just gonna take Orgasm from NARS because I feel like it's a very pretty classic color and it'll just be like quite girly. For my highlight, I've decided I want something really icy to go with the whole black and white tones. This is Vanilla Quartz Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed from Mecca. As you can see, it's a really frosty white color. Kind of disappointing because I had some pearls somewhere that I was going to stick on my cheeks, but I don't know where they are. But this is kind of like a similar effect. Extremely glassy. Yes, that's like exactly what I wanted. Ooh, this is so pretty, wow. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I need to wear this more often. Wow. Holy cow. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm shook by this highlight. This whole look is kind of giving me like Cruella de Vil vibes. I'm getting less of a 60s vibe off it than I thought I would because the eyes are quite like mod makeup. So there we have the completed Chanel makeup look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. Their shopping bag packaging, it's black and white. Their makeup packaging even is black and white, and when I think of the cult bags like the classic flap and the Chanel boy bag, they're all black. So I just wanted to do something very classic. As always, let me know more brands you want to see down below. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you guys can see when I do upload a video, and I will talk to you all again very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.